Hello there and welcome to Tauraichi Shona. Let's speak Shona. In this video we are dealing with nouns related to the extended family. Hukama wemumuri. We are starting with aunt. In the Shona culture there is the distinction between the aunt from the father side and the mother side. So every aunt from the father side is called tete. Tete. But on the mother side there is also another distinction. If the aunt is older than your mother, the aunt is called amai guru, or you call them amai guru. If the aunt is younger, you call them amai nini. Amai nini. You may have seen from the other video that amai means mother. So amai guru. Guru is taken from the word, it basically means big or older or elder. And then nini, it implies youngness, so to speak, but it's also small. The word also means small. Okay. And then uncles, the same thing. There's that distinction: father side, mother side. But now age comes into play. This time it's on the male gender, on the father side. That's where you have baba mkuru for older brother, your father's older brother, and baba mdiki for the younger brothers to your father. Okay. Baba is father. Mukuru means big. Mudiki is basically small, but younger in this case. Alright, on the mother's side, the uncle is called sekuru. Sekuru, but is different from grandpa. The spelling is the same, the pronunciation is the same, but it's just not grandpa. It's another sekuru, a variation of sekuru. Now, the uncles and aunts have children, right? And those children are your cousins. So we still have that distinction of mother side, father side. And on the mother side is that further distinction where male is called sekuru. Sekuru, not grandpa. This is the same way you address this cousin's father. So every male from your mother's side is called sekuru. Sekuru. And if the cousin is female, you call them amai nini. Amai nini. We came across this word again earlier on. Amai means mother, nini, young or small. And then there's cousins from your father's side. If you are of the same gender, the older cousin, your older cousin is called mukoma. Mukoma. And the younger cousin is muningina. Muningina. Right? If the cousin is of a different gender, alright, than yours, then it's anjadzi. Anjadzi. This is the same way as you call your own immediate family members, your brothers and sisters. So in this Shona culture, generally cousins from the father's side share the same family name or surname. So that distinction of cousins is not there. Now let's go to the in-laws. Your father-in-law is Atezvara. Atezvara. And mother-in-law, we have also a distinction there. If you are a son-in-law, the mother-in-law is called Ambuya, or you call her Ambuya. This Ambuya is not grandma. The spelling is the same, but the pronunciation is a bit different. For grandma, it's Ambuya, Ambuya. And for mother-in-law, it's Ambuya, Ambuya. MB Mbu. For grandma, it's high tone, Mbu. And for mother-in-law is Mbu, Ambuya, and Ambuya for grandma. Okay? Now, if you are a daughter-in-law, your mother-in-law is called Amwene. You call your mother-in-law Amwene. Now, if you are a daughter-in-law, your mother and father-in-law call you Murora. Both of them, they call you Murora. And if you are a son-in-law, your spouse parents, your in-laws, they call you Mukuasha. Mukuasha. To summarize what we've just covered, here is a list of everything here. For the first three, you can see the distinction between red and green. The red part being the father side and green for mother side. So aunt is Tete, father side, Amai Guru or Amai Nini on the mother side. Uncle is Baba Mukuru or Baba Nini on the father side, and Sekuru on the mother side. Cousins from the mother side are Sekuru for male, Amai Nini for female. Cousins from the father side are Mukoma Mningina if you are of the same gender, and Anjadzi if you are of the opposite gender. And I said that culturally these people are addressed, these cousins are addressed as the same way you address your immediate family members. Okay, and then the father-in-law is called Atezvara. The mother-in-law is Ambuya. Daughter-in-law is Murora. Son-in-law is Mukuasha. Thank you for watching. Tinotenda Zukuru. Keep learning Shona. Tauraiji Shona. Let's speak it. Thank you.